Good day, Ma'am Sir. My name is Alden Hernandez and I'm a recent graduate of Camarines Norte State College with a degree in Agricultural Engineering. Why did I choose this job? I chose the agricultural technician position at Jamboas Company because I've always been passionate about farming and sustainable food production. Your company's commitment to sustainable and community impact matches my personal goal and values. This job is the perfect opportunity for me to grow in a field I truly care about. So, next is my skills, interest, and experience. I have hands-on experience in planting, irrigation, and crop harvesting. I'm skilled in farm management, agricultural technology, and soil science. I studied agriculture and work directly on farm where I learned how to improve yields while caring for the environment. I'm so great at multitasking, working with teams, and solving problems on the job. That's all. Next is why you should hire me. You should hire me because I bring real-world experience, a strong work ethic, and a deep passion for agriculture. I am committed to helping the farm grow in a sustainable and efficient way. I'm a fast learner, highly adaptable, and ready to contribute to Camboas Company's mission. That's all. Thank you for your time and consideration. That's why I'm the right fit for Enetic Solution.